Don't lose your head, navigating stressful situations with calm. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, "Don't lose your head." This expression is a wonderful example of English idioms that pack a punch of meaning in just a few words. So, if you've ever found yourself puzzled by this phrase, stay tuned as we break it down for you. The phrase, "Don't lose your head," is an idiomatic expression used to advise someone to remain calm and not panic in a stressful or difficult situation. When we say, "lose your head," we're not talking about misplacing your physical head. That would be quite the problem, wouldn't it? Instead, losing your head figuratively means losing control over your emotions or thoughts, leading to panic or irrational decisions. So, when someone tells you, "Don't lose your head," they're essentially encouraging you to keep calm, think clearly, and not let the situation overwhelm you. To better understand how this phrase is used, let's look at some examples. In an emergency, imagine there's a sudden power outage at night. Your younger sibling starts to panic. You might say, "Don't lose your head, we have flashlights in the drawer." This reassures them and suggests a calm solution. At work, your team is facing a tight deadline, and things aren't going as planned. Your manager might remind everyone, "Let's not lose our heads. We need to focus and tackle this one step at a time." This encourages the team to remain composed and work efficiently despite the pressure. In personal challenges, if a friend is upset about not passing a test, you could advise, "Don't lose your head over this. Let's figure out a study plan for the retake." This helps shift the focus from panic to constructive action. Understanding and using expressions like, "Don't lose your head," can greatly enhance your communication skills in English. It allows you to convey a complex message, the importance of staying calm under pressure, succinctly and effectively. Moreover, recognizing these idioms when you hear them helps you grasp the nuance of conversations and engage more deeply with English speakers. We hope this exploration of the phrase, "Don't lose your head," has shed some light on its meaning and how you can use it in various contexts. Remember, English is full of idiomatic expressions that can seem puzzling at first but become invaluable tools for expressive and effective communication once understood. Don't lose your head trying to learn them all at once. Take it one phrase at a time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.